So I'm finally back at my store after around 3 months of isolation. During that time, I sold off a Corsair keyboard and mouse, Corsair Sabre RGB, Corsair K70 blue LED red switches, I believe. And what I bought in to replace the Corsair, I thought I'll go wireless on the workbench here so I can quickly move everything out of the way. So I bought a Logitech Masters, or MX Masters 2S. So, pretty decent mouse. Decent weight, decent size. It almost feels a bit too big for my hand, which I wasn't expecting that. Anyway, installed the software for it. And look up here, we have a mouse cursor. I move it. Moving it. Moving it. Nothing. The old G5. This has gone through 2 chords. Probably due for some more of these pads. Perfectly fine on here. If I move the master over here, perfectly fine. So I'm finding that kind of humorous that a mouse that's over 10 years old with one of their flagship sensors can't compete with about a 2-year-old mouse with similar, or apparently similar, laser technology. Now I do believe this one's a camera. This one I would assume would be a camera, especially for the price of it. But that is very underwhelming. Looks like I have to rethink this idea.